Myntri Rangbah kejala ukonrat ke sangma ulatau record ban keren hadu lai kynta khanyo minit batsopeu second klem sange haba jubab e kejing atai halor ka Mang Tyngka hakadorbar Mang Tyngka jungka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kabalong hene kasngin kong haba jubab e kejing atai ukonrat ulai jubab e kawei kamat bala keren dakir khot jungka ying dorbar halor ka Mang Tyngka arjar apholai arjar aphosau balawan ra dama uhi haka apholai tarik lebar arajar apholai kane ke jubab Myntri Rangbah kalong ka bakong sanbha khamtam hadin ka jingmi ka kanrum kanram belapenmi da kalyang persya halor ka jing ai por khniat e yakit khot bankran
to make your repayments. And these are systems that are put in place. Meghalaya government has 800 crores in this consolidating sinking fund, which is a backup in case our interest payments and repayments cannot be done on time. So multiple systems are in place where there's no question of any state being able to go into any kind of situation where they are in a debt trap or they have taken extra loan because the system doesn't allow, and the government of India is very, very strict about it. And as I mentioned, the reason why a lot of people fear that is because of the externally aided projects. They hear the name of World Bank and this bank and that bank. And I have clarified numerous times on the floor of this house that these loans that are taken, these are repaid 90% by government of India. Meghalaya government repays only 10% of the loan. So hence the impact on us is minimum. And therefore it's almost like a grant that is being given, which is normally the 90-10 ratio which is given for any centrally sponsored scheme. So it would be a loss for us not to take advantage of that. And that's the reason why externally aided projects today we are taking maximum benefit, because 90% of it, of the loan component, is repaid by government of India. Only 10% is repaid by us, and therefore this is something that one should not be concerned about as much, because as I said, there are very strong systems in place for any state government, and no government can flaunt those rules. And government of India is very, very strict, as I mentioned, about those particular issues. The responsible leaders, and we should realize that we are here with a sense of purpose, and there's a huge expectation by the people of our state. Let us put all those differences aside. Let us forget what we said in the election time. We said it, sir. Some said it with a lot of emotion. Some said it with anger. But these things do happen in elections and happens in life, sir. But what is important is we move ahead and we move forward. We rise above all these differences and all these things that were said and keep the main agenda which is there in our front of us, which is the benefit and the people of our state, sir, on how we will help our people and how we will take our state forward, sir. So I would appeal to all the members that we should refrain from these kind of negative remarks and try to understand that we are here with a sense of purpose, and that we should try and work with that purpose in mind, which is to make a difference in our people's lives, a positive difference, sir. And if dinner was going to be served, then I was planning to continue for another hour. But then later on, I was told by Honorable Deputy CM that the kitchen is closed. So there is not even a cup of tea, I'm told. So, sir, I will refrain now from moving further. And once again, sir, I thank you for giving me this time. Thank you very much, sir.